This video will provide an overview of replacing the hydraulic closer on storm doors with the SmoothControl Plus Close System. We will be replacing the hydraulic closer on the Andersen 10 Series FULLVIEW retractable insect screen storm door. If you're replacing a closer on a different storm door, please reference the installation guide provided with your replacement part. You'll need safety glasses, protective gloves, a flat blade screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. You'll also need a replacement hydraulic closer. If you need to order a replacement hydraulic closer, please contact our customer service at 1-800-933-3626 or visit the Help Center section of our website at AndersenWindows.com. Before you begin, find the installation guide that came with your replacement hydraulic closer. Be sure to read it completely, including all the cautions and warnings. You can also download the guide at AndersenWindows.com. To begin, insert the locking pin into the hydraulic closer to lock the closer arm. Next, disengage the closer arm from the pneumatic damper using the hex key provided with your replacement hydraulic closer. Remove the locking pin from the hydraulic closer. The closer is under tension and has several areas that can pinch. Use caution when working around the closer components. Failure to do so may result in injury. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws from the top of the hydraulic closer and dispose of properly. Now, lift the hydraulic closer up and remove it from the top of the door and dispose of properly. To begin installation of the replacement closer, first set the new closer in place on the top of the door. Using a Phillips screwdriver, attach the replacement hydraulic closer to the door using the two screws included with the new closer. Insert the locking pin into the new hydraulic closer to lock the closer arm in place. The closer is under tension and has several areas that can pinch. Use caution when working around the closer components. An abrupt closure may result in injury. Next, reattach the closer arm to the pneumatic damper by moving it into position and using the hex key to tighten the bolt. You can now remove the locking pin and close the door. If you need to adjust the closing speed, open the storm door. Insert a flat blade screwdriver into the hole located on the underside of the rain cap. The storm door will close more quickly when the entry door is open. To achieve the proper closing speed, you will need to adjust the closer using the built-in adjustment screw. Check for preferred closing speed with your entry door in both the closed and the open position. An abrupt closure may result in injury. For a slower closing speed, turn the adjustment screw right. For a faster closing speed, turn the adjustment screw left. Close the door and reopen to test the closing speed. Readjust as needed. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your new hydraulic closer. If you have questions, please call our customer service at 1-800-933-3626 or visit the Help Center and the service section of our website at AndersenWindows.com.